Question number 1. Jack dashed to school every day. A. Go B, went C, goes.
Question number 2. Sarah is afraid dash spiders. A. Of B to C from.
Question number 3. They dash a movie when I called. A. Watch B. Watched C. We're watching. Question number 4. She is taller. G and her brother. A. Then B. That's C then.
Question number 5. If I dash you, I would apologize. A. Was B. Were C. B. Question number 6. John dash his homework before dinner. A. Finish B. Finished C. Finishes. Question number 7. Please wait. Dash the bus stop. A. On B. At C. By. Question number 8. They have been living here 2018. A. Since B. For C. From.
Question number 9. We will go to the beach dash. It doesn't rain. A. Unless B. Although C. If. Question number 10. My brother usually gets up dash 7 o'clock. A. On B. At C. In. Question number 11. She has worked here dash 2 years. A. Since B. For C. From.
Question number 12. The cat is hiding dash the sofa. A. Under B. Behind C. On. Question number 13. Dash you like to have some tea. A. Should be. Would C. Might. Question number 14. I dash him last week. A. C. B. Saw C. Seen. Question number 15. He runs dash than his brother. A. Fast. B. Faster. C. Fastest. Question number 16. She is interested dash painting. A. In B. On C. At. Question number 17. The book was written dash Shakespeare. A. By B. From C. With. Question number 18. We were tired dash we kept walking. A. But B and C. Or. Question number 19. They dash in the park when it started to rain. A. Walk. B. Walking. C. Were walking. Question number 20. The train has already dash A, left B, leave C, leaving. Question number 21. My keys are dash the table. A on B in C under. Question number 22. I can't find my phone. I must have dash it. A lose B, lost C, losing. Question number 23. He was absent dash Monday. A on B at C in. Question number 24. You should listen dash your teacher. A on B to C at. Question number 25. We met dash the conference. A at B on C to. Question number 26. She never dashed to the gym. A goes B, going C, go. Question number 27. He was punished dash cheating. A for B of C by. Question number 28. Are you good dash cooking? A on B in C at E. Question number 29 dash. He worked hard. He failed the test. A, although B, because C, if. Question number 30. The child dash while playing. A, fall B, fell C, fallen. Question number 31. She spoke dash confidence. A with B by C in. Question number 32. Don't shout dash the children. A on B at C to. Question number 33. I prefer tea dash coffee. A over B to C than. Question number 34. They have been friends dash childhood. A from B since C at. Question number 35. He walked slowly dash he was tired. A because B, although C while. Question number 36. Can you wait dash a minute? A for B, in C, on. Question number 37. The plane is flying dash the clouds. A over B on C to. Question number 38. She goes jogging every dash. A morning, B yesterday, C soon. Question number 39. They will arrive dash the evening. A at B on C in. Question number 40. He sat dash the chair. A in B on C over. Question number 41. She's fond dash chocolate. A of B with C too. Question number 42. Dash you help me carry this. A will be, can see, might. Question number 43. We dash dinner when the phone rang. A have B were having C had. Question number 44. There isn't dash milk left. A any B many C few. Question number 45. The book is dash the shelf. A in B on EC at. Question number 46. He has never dash a car. A drives B drove C driven. Question number 47. I bought this dress dash a discount. A on B at C with. Question number 48. She smiled dash me A at B on C too. Question number 49. They are talking dash the exam. A about B on C too. Question number 50. He finished the race dash of breath. A out B off C away.